Shoot mo, shoot mo! Nice one! Naglaro ng... Uy, nagawa si JC ngayon ha. Nice one, Ivan! Ano pa kayo natin? Ay, niluwa pa! Ay, niluwa pa! Ah! Masama nga pakiramdam ni BJ eh. Pero naglalaro. Hmm?
Last 35 seconds. Buwan naman ang atake si number 3. Number last 10 seconds. Pass number 3 back to the Castro. Step up for 3.
Nice one. Go BJ! Putak mo BJ.
Atake naman si number 4. Simple. That's the play. It's the Castro. Yes, over the play. Side step number 8. No good. And number 5. Malamig pa. Pass number 2. To bounce. Number 10. Elag sa gilid. High reverse. Number down with number 18. Step after the play. Back to number 14, number 13. No good. Now, JC, back to number 28, 15, second shot up, De Castro. Mid-range jumper, no good, rebound number 9, Castro, no hesitation. No good, rebound by number 10, second shot up, Primo, back to De Castro. 5, second shot up by JC. No good again, rebound. Number 28. Back to number 13. Number 13 back to number 28. 5 second shot like Arambara. Number 4. To advance. No good. Remember number 2. Aquino at Aquino number 4. In and out. Remember number 13. Seconds. Trying to shoot number 9.
Yeah! Oh, nakashoot siya!